so today we've got a Porsche Macan S, which I'm going to be slamming some clear on. So yeah, just two blends there and a brand new rear door. So yeah, pretty straightforward job here. I've actually had a couple of days off work. Today's Wednesday, the whatever it is, 8th I think it is, 8th of May, as of recording this footage. And yeah, I did one job this morning. What was that? I did a quarter panel on a Range Rover Discovery and then jumped straight onto this one. Pretty straightforward job. I decided not to include any of the masking or base coat or prep work on it, so we just go straight to clear coat. The fun part definitely. And yeah, like previously to today, I had been doing lots of trialing with the Vilbus GPI and even the FLG5. I had been using that quite a lot previously or recently for clear coat, and yeah, my verdict on the GPI is it's a brilliant gun. It's not that much worse than your Prolite PE20. It's just worth keeping, for clear coat that is, you know, it's just worth keeping in mind that in the colder weather and with the thinner clear coats, you may want to just wind that fluid in a touch. But yeah, back onto the number one, mate. It's still my number one after all these years. So hopefully we'll get this one nice and clean. I think I'll start on this door, get my first coat on the outside of this door. So I'll just put one coat on the inside. That's all they need. That's all they put on from factory. One coat's probably being generous. They probably only really put half a coat on. But these Porsches aren't too bad actually. They do get a bit more paint on than most of the Japanese cars and all that. So the name of the colour is Mahogany. It's not a bad colour. It's kind of like that Coke bottle brown style colour. Coca-Cola sort of a colour. I like it. Just pounding that clear on nice and heavy. You may have noticed that I did turn the pressure down just a touch below 2 bar, just to get it on a little bit thicker. So if I was going for the more Japanese flatter finish, even most American cars are similar to that, except for the Jeep, which is just terrible. But yeah, most of the European cars, they've got a bit of a thicker orange peel and more material on, which, as I say, it's a good thing, really. I'd rather a bit more of a, I don't know, a thicker orange peel and enough paint on there than a pissy thin coat that's not really even enough paint to last for very long. But it's looking pretty clean. I'm going to actually give that 5 minutes. I want this to come up like glass and hold a nice gloss and be nice and clean off the gun. So I'm just going to flick that camera off for a few minutes, and I'm not even going to leave the booth. I don't want dust on myself from leaving and opening and closing the doors, but as I say, I'm going to give that 5 minutes. It is a little bit colder. It's starting to cool down a little bit here in Perth, so yeah, I mean, if it was the middle of summer, I'd probably just go bang straight away, but yeah, we'll give it a minute to flush off. See you soon. Radio YouTube, yeah, let's get back to it. So it's probably only 2 or 3 minutes that I gave it, but it's better than nothing. So I'm going to start off by putting the coat on the inside of this door. As I said before, one's going to be plenty. So that's the way I like to do it when I'm spraying a door these days. I never used to, but I found this way makes it come up cleaner. So with your first coat, and this is the same for wet on wet, I'll always start on the outside, and that gives you a nice wet coat of paint for any of the overspray to land into, and it's not going to go all dry and dusty, sort of like a bit of a sand pit. So yeah, I'll start on the outside and then go to the inside, but then with clear coat always finish on the outside because you've got your two coats. Yeah, last coat on the outside because obviously that's the final finish. Rightio, that's about it probably, I think, for the inside. Yep, that's looking all good. Now we'll go to the outside, do the edges first, and then finish on the final piece being the exterior. Yep. So yeah, the setup is TE20 as usual, 1.3 fluid tip, and just under 2 bar pressure, which is just under 29 psi. Clear coat I'm using is Stanley Standard Clear. Just smashing it on, baby. Loves it. Pretty nice and clean too. I'm pretty happy with that. I'm very happy with that. It's always good to come back after a few days off. As I said, I had 3 days off, I think it was, at the Friday, Monday and Tuesday. Always love coming back and slamming a coat of clear on. Obviously it's always great to have a bit of time off. Don't want to work yourself too hard, but yeah, when you get to do stuff like this every day, work doesn't feel hard. I enjoy it. I like working on new cars like this. I mean, it's actually easier for me as well. You know, like, it's easier working on a car like this than it is like an older car. Because these blend panels here, there was no dents in it. Oh, there was a few ripples, but no like sharp dents that I had to fix. There was no stone chips at all. So it makes a painter's life a bit easier. The colour wasn't too bad, it wasn't quite perfect off the machine, it just needed, I put a bit of gold pearl, a bit of yellow, and a bit of copper toner in there, and it was fine. Fine for a blend at least. So that's just about a wrap. It's actually quite clean, there's just, you know, a couple of bits in each panel, there's 1 or 2 here. Actually needs a little bit more there. Looking a bit peely. As I say, yeah, there's like 1, 2, not much up the top here, which is good. I'll do with a bit more clear there. 1 or 2 in the fuel flap. There's not much in that door that I can see this far. That's, yeah, pretty damn clean. And as you saw before, that door was pretty clean too. So I mixed up 750 of clear, probably didn't even need it all, probably could have gone 700. Let's have a look over the job. And I'm going to go out, clean the gun out, give it 10 minutes before I hit base on this job, just to let it gas out a bit before I go and ramp the heat up too much. But there you go, that's a pretty killer job really. As I say, it always happens, you have a few days off, you come back and you're like, yeah baby, I love my job, you know? Just to make sure it looks shiny.